next with names repairs. We broke a coolant hose. The last time we broke the air intake pipe.
I knew this was gonna happen. Yep.
So, is it luck or misfortune? Every time I try to fix something on this car, I end up breaking something that could have cost me a lot of problems and a lot of money if I broke it on the road or if it got broken on the road. But anyway, before we begin, I repair cars on the driveway. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just an enthusiast, and it's my hobby. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in the things that I do every day on the driveway fixing these cars. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. This Mercedes W203 C180 compressor is my daily driver, not this one. This one has electrical problems. We will speak about this later. But now it's about my daily driver. Every time I try to repair this car, I always end up breaking something. So this time around, I was replacing the air intake hose. I ended up breaking the small little pipe that goes from the coolant reservoir back into the engine. The last time I was cleaning the camshaft magnets to check if they had any oil leaks, I ended up breaking the air intake hose. Anyway, that air intake hose always breaks because it's not durable. Mercedes lost quality over the years. I said that in my previous video. So, is it luck or misfortune? I don't know, but I think I'm lucky because every time I find a problem, I find it at home when I'm repairing the car. For example, that coolant hose, if it was broken while I was driving in the motorway today, I would have been very stranded. But lucky enough, it broke here while I was fixing another problem. So, isn't that luck? I wouldn't call that misfortune. What would you say? Anyway, that's that, but let's dive right into it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the air intake hose. In the next video, I'm gonna put back this coolant hose. Hopefully, I'll have the camshaft magnets ordered and they'll be here as well, and I'll show you how to do that. But for now, let's replace this cheap piece of material back onto this car.
I think it's just a simple screwdriver. Oh man. This is when the quality of Mercedes was lowered to this standard. Pull it out. This thing was in bits. Like in the previous video, I mentioned that this is not the strongest thing they ever made. This is what I meant. Okay. New one from Autodoc. Simply just clips in there like that. Perfect fit. That's it. Once you hear that click sound, that means it's in. So, here's a tip going forward. Don't throw this out because this is the only thing you have from the old one. This little clip that goes over here. Try and find a way to preserve it, because if you don't, the new part doesn't come with it. So there you go. That's out, and that just goes back in here like that. Hold this piece together. And that's it. All done. Got to feel the click. And that's it. Tight and stiff. And that's the new hose in. It was as simple as that. So remember, to remove it, you just have to push this, and then push that down. Remove this part, and the same here. It's self-explanatory, really. But now I have another problem. I just broke this hose.
Unfortunately, this coolant hose is not available. Even breakers don't have it, but that's Ireland for you. Everything has to be ordered online, so I'll have to wait a couple of days. Lucky enough, the Fiat 500 is driving. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace and I'm out. please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There's always something here. I'm telling you. He won't stop with his bullshit. That's the ice cream van.
Repair that too.
Huh?
I can repair that too.
No, I can repair and break the bell probably. Check if that light on the back of the microphone is on. The last time I was cleaning, the last time I was cleaning the camshaft adjuster magnets so that I could check for oil leaks later on, I broke the air intake hose. And today, I was trying to replace the same air intake. I can help anybody out there who's stranded with the repairs that I do. So this will help me grow. This will help. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It will help me grow, but it will also help anybody out there